Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to take a look at Blaze.ai, a platform that uses artificial intelligence to simplify content creation. Rate plans one creator designed for individual users. Cost is $26 per month. Includes one workspace, one brand identity, one platform account, 30 social media posts, 100,000 AI-generated words, 3 plagiarism checks, and 5 source materials. 2. Pro, suitable for expanding users. Cost is $37 per month. Includes one workstation, 3 brand identities, 3 platform accounts, 150 social media posts, 300,000 words created by AI, 15 plagiarism checks, and 15 source materials. 3. Startup, designed for small teams. Cost is $59 per month. Includes 3 workspaces, 6 brand identities, 6 platform accounts, unlimited posts, unlimited AI-generated words, 50 plagiarism checks, and 50 source materials. 4. Agency, designed for agencies. Cost is $150 per month if paying monthly, or $150 per month if paying per year. Includes 5 workstations with the option to add up to 10, 12 corporate identities, 12 platform accounts, 100 plagiarism checks, and unlimited source materials. 5th Enterprise, get access to advanced security features, personalized training, and invoicing. $399 Pros of Blaze.ai time savings. Users report saving up to 10 hours per week on content creation tasks. User-friendly interface. Intuitive design makes content creation easy. Multilingual support. Supports content creation in over 40 languages to reach a global audience. Cons of Blaze.ai. Initial learning curve. Some users may need time to fully master all features. Limited integration. Compatibility with some specialized tools may be limited. If you're looking for a way to streamline your content creation process and save time, Blaze.ai is worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a like. See you soon!